In these videos, I will tell you about why this tool exists, how to set up your own API and get your client secret.json, and lastly, how to use the software. There are some important clarifications you have to know. This tool is not a growth bot, a spam tool, a view generator, a YouTube automation hack. It only edits metadata for videos you already own. It works entirely within YouTube's official API limit. When you edit a video inside YouTube Studio, you are usually editing the title, the description, the category, the privacy setting, and other information attached to the video. This information is called metadata. Metadata simply means the information attached to your video, not the video file itself, just the text and settings around it. Now, YouTube Studio is great for editing individual videos, but when you want to add hashtags to 100 old videos, update description across an entire playlist, rebrand titles, fix formatting, clean up links, you have to do it one by one. That's where this tool comes in. There are other tools like TubeBuddy that focus on SEO optimization and browser-based features, but this tool is different. This is a desktop application focused specially on bulk metadata management using the official YouTube Data API. It's not a browser extension. It doesn't modify YouTube's website. It communicates directly with YouTube API, the same official system YouTube Studio uses. And there are no subscriptions at all. You paid it once, and you will own the app and its future update till the end of your life. Now, I will show you exactly how to create your own YouTube API credentials. This takes about 5 minutes, but you only need to do it once. Step 1. Go to Google Cloud Console. Open your browser and go to console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you logged into the Google account that owns your YouTube channel. Step 2. Create a new project. At the top, click the project drop-down. Click New Project. Name it something like CookieMetaPilot. Click Create. Wait a few seconds and select the project. Step 3. Enable YouTube Data API v3. On the left menu, click APIs and Services. Then click Library. Search for YouTube Data API v3. Click it. Then click Enable. This allows your project to communicate with YouTube officially. Step 4. Configure Old Consent Screen. Now go to APIs and Services. Old Consent Screen. Now click Get Started. Fill in the app information. App name, it could be something like CookieMetaPilot local app. User support email. You can choose your old email. Next, audience. Choose external. Next, contact information. You can use the old email too. Next, finish I agree to Google API services. And continue. Then hit Create button. Alright, now your old configuration created. The next thing you need to do is go to Audience. Scroll down and click on the Add Users button. This is one of the most important parts. If you don't do this, you will not be able to use the app. In here, you must enter the Gmail that creates your old YouTube channel. Click the Save button and on done. Your YouTube channel is now being added to your Google Cloud. Later, we will use this email to log into the app, which is the reason why you must use your YouTube channel Gmail. Step 5. Create old client ID. Now go to APIs and Services, Credentials. Click Create Credentials. Choose Old Client ID, Application Type, Desktop App. Name it anything you want. Click Create. Then click Download. This downloads your client secret.json. That file is your personal authentication key. You are now having your client secret.json. Now we will move to the next section on how to use this file and how to use the app. And now I will guide all of you how to use the CookieMetaPilot. First of all, you need to open the app. A welcome screen will appear. Click OK. And now this is our main UI. The first thing you need to do when you first open is you have to set your personal API. And now you will have to find the client secret.json file that you just download. Double click on it. And now your API has been saved. Click OK. And now you will have to log into your YouTube channel email. Click on it. Alright, if you encounter this screen, it is because the app that you just created in Google Cloud Console hasn't verified yet. This is completely normal, and this is your old app. Thus hit continue. If you ever encounter this email or this channel has no access, you have to make sure you already add those emails into the test users in our last step. If you do not do that, they will never have the access into your API. Alright, CookieMetaPilot local app want to access to your Google account. I will repeat again. This is the app that users created in your Google Cloud Console, so you don't have to worry about it. Just click continue. And done. The authentication flow has complete. Let's just close this one now and reopen our app again. To give it a test, let's try the fetch button. Alright, that's it. This is the first 20 public videos in your channel. And to begin with, let's start with our filter system first. Our first option is the playlist. You can choose all uploads or a specific playlist you want to use. Let's try the bulk source automation. And let's fetch the video again. Now click OK. And as you can see, here are the 20 videos come from our bulk source automation playlist. For the next option, we have short or long video. So short videos is basically you want to get all of the videos that have the duration under 3 minutes. And long is the opposite. By default, let's set it on. And next one is the visibility option. You can choose on, public, private, or unlisted. You may wonder where is the draft. Well, I have a bad news for all of you. You cannot get draft videos directly from YouTube API because draft videos is not considered a normal videos by YouTube. So the only way if you want to bulk modify them is you have to set those drafts into private or unlisted videos. Next is our sorting option. You can sort them by date, by views, or by title. There's just one thing you need to know, is that this sorting only being applied after your videos being taken to the software. For example, if you want to sort them by views, for 20 videos, the first video you're gonna see here will not be the highest view videos in your entire channel, but the highest videos in your first 20 videos. If you want to get it, just increase the amount of videos you want to fetch. For example, 200, or you can go 500 or 1000. Our maximum capacity for fetching option is 1000. If you want to increase this limit, just let me know in the comment section. and I will update it later. There is actually a reason why I do this. So basically, every single time you hit the fetch button, you are telling the YouTube API to send your videos into the app, but they are not free. They will cost you an amount of quota units, which is the reason why I am always trying to avoid calling them too many times, which will burn out all your quota very fast. And by default, your Google Cloud API will have a daily 10,000 quota units, and it will be reset every midnight Pacific times. So if you run out of quota, like this example, you can just create another API in a different Google account, and then you have to reset your personal API again. For now, let's leave it 20. And our next option is search in title or description. If you only want to search in the title, just untick the description. The same thing for the description. But for now, let's leave both of them on. And let's switch our playlist to on uploads to test them. Now let's go back to our channel. And let's try to find a specific videos. Let's try the posting daily one. You copy the title. You go back to the app. You paste it here. And let's fetch. Click OK. And boom. This is your posting daily. You can also search the videos by tags. For example, if you only want to search the videos with the hashtag source, just fetch it again. OK. And here's are the videos that only contain the source hashtag. This is really useful if you want to replace an outdated link or a brand that already changed their name in your description or in your title without having to go back to the old videos and change them one by one again. 1 or 2 videos okay, but imagine you have to do it for 100 videos. This will be really useful. If you are wondering why we only have 93 videos, when we are intent to get 100 videos, it is because the software will get 100 videos first. Then it will try to filter all of the videos that contain the source hashtag. If you want to get more than this, you will have to increase the amount setting. Let's hit the fetch again. And here you are. 224 videos. It's basically all of the videos in your channel that contain the source hashtag. And the question is, how do you modify your content? It is really straightforward. You just need to double click on the title or the description of the video you want to change. Let's take the fake username videos as example. Double click on it and a window will pop up. Now you can change your content inside here. Let's try to change the title into fake username is fake. And let's try to change our description into something like, yet I still love it. Click the save button and close it. Now a color will be highlighted to tell you this video has been modified. Let's go back to our YouTube channel to find the video first. Let's try to find the fake username. This is our original videos. Let's go back to our software and click the confirm change. Every update will cost you 50 units. We are currently want to update one video, so it will cost us 50 units. Let's click yes. Okay, let's go back to our videos and reload it. And voila! Your videos have been modified. The same thing can be done with other videos, but you don't have to manually change them. You can just go to the file and replace box. For example, if you want to add more hashtags, just go for the source and replace this with shorts. For example, if you want to add another hashtag called viral, hit the replace button, and as you can see, our estimated cost will be 9,350 units. It is because we are currently want to update 224 videos. Each video will be cost 50 units. So you have to be careful too. You only have 10,000 units daily. If you exceed them, the update will be stopped. But you can just change to another Google account API, or you can just reduce the update amount. Let's go back to 20 and hit the fetch again. Now let's replace them again. And it only costs us 950 units. If you take a look at them, another viral hashtag has been added. Now let's take a quick look at our current videos to see if the hashtag exists or not. No, that's only source hashtag. Only source hashtag again. There is no viral hashtags. There's still no viral hashtags. Now let's go back and hit confirm change. You can click on the show details to see which videos will be changed. Let's click yes. And now we wait. Just make sure you do not interrupt the software while it's updating. Alright, selected videos has been successfully updated. Let's click OK. Now let's go back to our channel. Reload it. And let's see. Alright, another hashtag viral has been added to our 21st public videos. And that's how you use it. If you have a link, you can paste a link in the file section and then replace it with a new link. Click the replace button and confirm change again. The same thing if you want to rename a keyword or the brand names or something like that. Just make sure you have enough quota units to do all of the update. If you manage a serious YouTube library and want full control over your metadata without editing one by one, this tool works for you. You can find the download link below. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.